Did you know a man survived enough poison to kill 5 people and still asked for more wine? December 1916, St. Petersburg. Russian nobles decided Rasputin had to die. They fed him cyanide-laced cakes and wine, enough to drop an elephant. But Rasputin kept eating, laughing, asking for seconds. Panicking, they shot him point blank in the chest. He collapsed. Then his eyes opened. Rasputin lunged at his shooter, clawing at his throat before they beat him down with clubs. 3 more gunshots, still breathing. They wrapped his battered body in carpet and dragged him to the frozen Neva River. Through a hole in the ice, they threw him into the black water below. When they found his corpse days later, his lungs were full of water. After surviving poison, beatings, and 4 bullets, Rasputin drowned tied up under the ice. 2 months later, the Romanov dynasty collapsed forever. The Mad Monk's death triggered the end of Imperial Russia,